everyone, Oliver here from Gas Engineer Software. I'm joined by one of our co-founders, Tulloch. So we've had lots of requests from you guys to include more custom forms or checklists in the software that suit your business specifically. To include that in the past has been quite difficult. So going forward, we are going to introduce a new upgrade to Gas Engineer Software called Field Rocket Forms. This will be a beta version to begin with, rolled out to just a small number of customers. But what that will allow us to do is when you request a certain form or field to be included on your existing checklists, we'll be able to make those changes very quickly and give you custom forms for your business, as opposed to in the past when it would take us quite a while to implement those changes. So as I say, that'll be rolled out to a small number of customers to begin with. And as we get your feedback on the process and we begin to add more records like the commissioning checklist and the PAT test form, we'll be able to roll that out to more customers. So thank you very much for your feedback. And we're looking forward to rolling that out to you guys.
Yep, thank you.